got a great plan. It's gone already wrong because there were no trains. Plan to get trains somewhere, get on the bikes, train to Swindon, and then get on the bikes, follow King Alfred's Way, Ridgeway down that way, down to Bath, along the Kennet Avon Canal route as well, which is a Sustrans route. So a mixture of those two, and then get a train back. Just need a train. Things changed. We're just trying to weigh up our options. There's no likelihood at the moment of any train. It's 4 hours extra riding if we try to do the extra bit by bike, which, well, we're going to be riding in the dark if we do that. So we're just going to everything crossed. The train might appear, and our plan can get back on the road, as it were, on the Groad. But who knows? They've just cancelled the train. Damn them. They just did it by stealth. They just took it off the board and went, oh yeah, we cancelled it. Oh, sorry. So now we're stuck at Didcot, and the only way to get to where we're going is by bike now, which is ordinarily cool, but not so cool when you plotted quite a big ride at the other side of it. So we're just now debating if we tag on quite a big extension to our ride. Damn them, GWR, damn them. Oh my word. So we are out of giving up on the train, going 2 wheels. So our original route was getting to Swindon, and then we were going to get down to Avebury, kind of along the Ridgeway, King Alfred's Way type route. But instead we're going to do a bit of road, see if we can make up some time, or at least not lose too much time. Basically going to be no trains for the foreseeable, so rather than have our plan ruined, got a hotel booked tonight and everything non-cancelable, we're going to do this alternative instead, see whether or not we can piece together a new ride. First hippo stop.
Don't call me a hippo.
The edible variety. Oh, it's not a hippo, it's a pig.
It is a hippo. I thought you didn't want one.
Okay, never mind.
Just take it.
We're up top of Unnoise Lambourne, top of the hills. Bit of a climb to get here. Hopefully downhill for a bit. See, well, we started really right in the background. Maybe not, but there is honestly a power station all the way in the back. Just made it to Ramsbury, home of the gin. Still kind of meandering on the roads in sort of general direction of Avebury Castle. So we're sort of cutting corners and cutting bits off the route instead of going, well, because we're trying to make up time, we're like miles behind because of the train. So yeah, hopefully we're going to get to Avebury Castle though. Made it to Marlborough, beautiful, lovely old place. Look for a cafe. Cheers. Picking up the Komoot route that we had going towards Avebury, Castle or is it Stones? Avebury Stone Circle. I'm not sure if it's Castle though. Good? We made it on the Wessex Ridgeway, really old sign on the thing. It's really lovely gravel, just really smooth. It's really dry actually, even though we've had loads of rain. Starting to see sort of funny stones and things, so we're getting near Avebury. I guess yeah, there's lots of old stuff kind of kicking around here. It's beautiful up here. It's so clear today.
When you wish you were a horse, not a bicycle.
Probably slightly later than planned.
With a wet foot.
I got slightly wet feet, didn't feel that bit, but went to a very muddy farm. Yeah. There we go. It's pretty cool. That's technically the circle then, is it? Or is this the circle? Well, we've got muddy finally. Gravel bikes have got the appropriate mud gravel on, and we're at the Avebury Stone Circles finally. I would really like to stop for a pint, but we do need to crack on, so we'll have to do that later. Yeah, I've never been here actually in the sunshine. It's always been raining when I've been here before. It's quite nice. Yeah. Bit of water. We had a little bit of water overnight, and yeah, it's really pulled everywhere. This is beautiful, isn't it? I mean, like, super nice autumn. So really, you can see it's quite cold probably today for what we're wearing. It's gone from like 25 degrees last weekend to like 8 degrees today. A really cold wind, and yeah, I mean, it's like perfect riding. You can dodge the puddles. We planned this as a gentle poodle along the canal, and so far we've only caught a glimpse of it once, and here is another glimpse of it. I don't know how on earth you would left, I think. I don't know how on earth you get a boat up here. Maybe this is not the main canal. Yeah, but you know, yeah. So the original idea of this ride was the kind of Kennet Avon Canal kind of gravel route, and actually we've basically just been up and down over the hills, no canal whatsoever until now. Hallelujah. Hopefully it's flatter like a canal should be. This must be an old disused railway, I guess. Looks like it, doesn't it? Old bridge. Bit of road. This is definitely a sort of Groad sort of route. All kinds of surfaces, like literally everything. Probably, yeah, a bit of road, but that's because we had to kind of make it some time. But did a lot of kind of old disused railway, just kind of last sort of 20 k's or so, I suppose, maybe before that. We did all the Avebury stuff. There's a lot of single track. There's a bit of kind of Ridgeway style stuff. Chalky with dusty gravel. We have had it all. And now we've got kind of basically about 10 kilometres on kind of old back lanes into Bath, which is where we're going to finish the ride. And it should be nice. It's a beautiful evening. Starting to cool down. Legs are tired, bike is heavy, a lot of extra stuff that we haven't needed, thankfully, tubes and that kind of stuff. Fingers crossed anyway, haven't needed it. Got 10k where it could come into its own. Beer's gonna taste good. Finally, the towpath.
I wonder if it would have been quicker to come by canal. Would have been flatter.
What I don't get though is trying to find the actual cycle route that is the towpath. It's not. It's quite tricky to tell if it is all on the towpath or if it isn't just vaguely followed.